Look at stock ticker symbol FNRC. This is going to be the first one that we've been looking at starting off the day right now. I mean, it's pretty early in the morning. Keep this in mind. So if you're watching this, you're like, well, you know, it's way higher than that now, or it's way lower than that. Just keep in mind that it's 10 o'clock Eastern on March 10th right now. So it's pretty early in the morning. This is just one of those early runners right now, starting to take off out of the gate. Yesterday, look at it. It's right now 0007. I mean, I started watching this thing. It was at 0006. You guys, this one's going. I mean, everything that you can look at right here, as far as a technical analysis alert, it's right now. And I'm not trying to hype it up or anything for everybody that's listening live. And I mean, we'll get into a few hundred people here listening live very quickly. I'm not trying to hype it up or anything, but you guys know that we all, as a team, look for these hot stocks. Well, here's one right here. Let me tell you why I put this on a technical analysis alert right now. This big volume day yesterday. Look at that big volume day yesterday. No real movement, no nothing. It would have been like, better watch this thing. That would have been my first key yesterday. I would have said this is getting really close to a technical analysis alert. But now that you have all three of the simple day moving averages that I personally followed, the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average, underneath it, okay, underneath. Now you got a solid support now underneath it, enough for it to catapult it up. Not too much resistance off of that now. Usually those simple day moving averages are going to be your big resistance, okay? Also, you have the parabolic SAR that just flipped now for the first time since, holy cow, back over here, of December 27th. Look at that. The chart has been in a downtrend since December 27th and just finally flipped over to bullish. So keep this one in mind. 0007, I really think that it's going to go here. You guys get that buying pressure. 0012 can come pretty quick. And I mean, it's almost 100% gain off of that. So I don't want to sound like I'm hyping it up. I don't want you to take it that way. But, you know, I try not to get too excited when we find these down here at the bottom. So again, this is going to be FNRC Technical Analysis Alert. 0007 going to be 0012. I feel 001 and then 12 going to be for the resistance level. So I'm going to hand it over to Joe. Maybe they came out with news. I don't know. Maybe you can help us out here.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on the news. So I went back on the news. They have the latest press release was from January 25th, 2017. And it was first NRG Corp announces letter of intent for 600 wells and gives corporate update. So let's see, on January 25th, first NRG Corp, an exploration and production company headquartered in Denver, Colorado, has issued its monthly corporate update to shareholders on its company's progress. The company has entered into a letter of intent to purchase over 600 coal bed methane wells through its wholly subsidiary First NRG Wyoming. These wells were producing over 25 MCFD prior to being shut in, and we are currently negotiating the purchase and sale agreement. So, and then it stated in November, the company announced the potential acquisition of a natural gas gathering system. The system covers over 364 miles and gives the company access to over 100,000 acres of potential development. We're negotiating the purchase and sale agreement right now, and hope to close that by Q1 2017. All right, so I mean, a lot of this stuff right here is more or less what is this right here? The company is in discussion to raise $25 to $30 million for an announced acquisition, and for these and others that are planned. All right, so obviously you want to look into what happened with all these because it's January 25th. I'm going to go over to see if they have anything, because they said that they have a monthly update, you know what I'm saying, from the company. But that interim report, I went and looked at the one from September just to see, because I mean, when you have a company like this and you know that many acreage and everything else, I want to see their assets. Going back to their interim report that was published on November 14th. I mean, they have assets. Their total assets over here on this report said $16,785,743. So I mean, I'm sure I have that they're working with. Let me go to this website. All right, so that's not. I mean, they're paying current right now. Obviously, there's whatever's going on right now. I'm not finding anything. There's no news or anything. So, obviously, if you know something or you have an opinion on the stock, you've been following it, you obviously probably have more due diligence than myself and David right now.
Yeah.
So feel free to go over to the FNRC message board over there and post it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily. And at the same time, if you want to research this company more, you can basically go over into the filings, the financials, the recent news, and the company profile right over there from that particular board. So that's pretty much that, David.
All right. So again, you guys keep an eye on this one right now. It's 0006. I mean, you're gonna have that resistance at 7. I already put that in there. Technical analysis alert. Chart is set up for a nice move here, in my opinion. Resistance at 0007, 0012, and I'm sorry, 001 and 0012. Support at 0004. Watch this one. I mean, yeah, you guys pulled back down a little bit right now off that 0007. It still has a lot of potential here as far as the chart goes. Like Joe said, I mean, there's going to be definitely more stuff as far as the fundamentals that we're going to want to know. 0007, let us know what you think. I mean, come back here later on. Let us know. I really want to know where the stock closes. And the unfortunate part about it is by the time we get through our list, you're going to totally forget about it, not meaning to do so. And, you know, so let us know if you're watching this video. Let us know later on where this thing ended up going. Be interested to know. And make sure you hit that subscribe and like button if you're following this stock to stay updated with this stock and all the other hot stocks. Get out there and share this video with everybody. We would appreciate that. So if you have a hot stock you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.